Hey, Teddy.
Are you ready to stand? Here. Teddy. Come on up. Here. Take my hand. Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. That's very good standing, Teddy. Very good standing. Can you and Mommy do that again? And we'll do it. I'll get it from another angle.
Whoosh. Down. You ready? Let's go up.
All right, let's see you stand up again.
Here. Hold my hands.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Advance.
Here. Will you stand up for Grandpa? And we'll have Mommy take over the camera duties.
Here, sit down. Whoosh.
Whoop.
Sit down.
Okay. You gonna stand for Grandpa? You gonna say, "Oh, very good." You get a kiss for that.
Yay!
Very good. Okay, let's sit. Let's sitty. Go sitty. Okay. We ready to stand? Teddy, ready to stand? Ah, look at that. Look at that boy. Oh, This boy is in a very crabby mood today, and we think it's because he's teething. Right?
Yes. Boo. One more time.